Hello, Gypsy Soul. It is Tuesday, and I am glad that you are here because I'm going to be sharing some fun stuff that is so good for your dog. So, thank you. I have to start out to get us right in the spirit of essential oils. It's Tuesday. Okay. Well, as you know, am a huge dog lover, and I have for years um, been using the drops that you get from the vet. And quite frankly, I never did have any issues with using the drops. Um, I will say, however, though, my neighbor's dog ended up with a huge lump right back here. And when you use those types of drops, that it goes right here at the back of the neck, right? Well, her dog ended up getting this huge mass back there, and had to have surgery to have it removed. So I thought, oh, I'm trying to live a more healthy lifestyle. So I have been doing my homework on all kinds of things using essential oils to help our dog. So I'm so glad you're here. My name is Annette Daly. I am your Chief Gypsy Soul Lady. And if you're here, make sure that you comment or ask me any questions. And if you're here on the replay, go ahead and still leave those questions. I'll come back and answer them for you. So thank you again. All right. I'm going to start out first, though, with the shampoo that I've just started using. Now, if you don't, you can use our Young Living Animal Sense shampoo. Before I got this, though, I used regular dog shampoo, and I just added in, it was about this size container of the shampoo, and I added in, I would say, probably 4 to 6 drops of lemongrass essential oil. So with this, it is already, I don't know if you can see it, but it contains pure therapeutic grade essential oils. And check out the essential oils that is in the shampoo. It is lavender. It is lemon essential oils, geranium essential oil, citronella essential oil, and let's see what else. Oh, Northern Lights Black Spruce essential oil. So, wow, it's already in there. But if you do not have this, although I highly recommend it, you can put lemongrass in the dog shampoo. There are a lot of wild and crazy stories out there on the internet about using essential oils around your pets. And I can tell you, you have to use common sense. Use common sense. I diffuse essential oils all the time around my dog. And the key thing is to be able to let your dog leave the room if he does not like it. Okay? You would not put your dog in a crate locked up and have essential oils fill in the room, because if they don't like it, they can't leave. Now, my cowboy loves all of the essential oils that I diffuse. And when I feel like jerking a knot in his butt because he's misbehaving, I will diffuse essential oils to help calm him down. And just like they help calm us down, they help calm our pets down too. So just make sure they have the ability to come and go, and if they don't like it, they leave. It's okay. The difference is that cats are a little bit different. Cats are they can be very sensitive to citrus oils. Okay, so just I would not use essential oils around cats. They do not have the same type of enzymes that break down essential oils like dogs do. And also citrus oils are photosensitive. So you would have to be careful even when you put them on yourself. The same thing goes for your animals. You are more susceptible to being burned if you use citrus oils and then go out in the sun. Okay? But I am not using any citrus oils in this DIY bug repellent spray. Okay, first things first, you need a 8-ounce glass bottle. And I got this bottle, I got a case of them from Amazon. So it's easy. You do want to use glass. The darker the glass, better, because then the light is protected from the light, and it will, if it's in a bright light, the essential oils, they evaporate more easily. If it's in plastic, it also has a tendency to corrupt and break down the plastic. So I highly recommend an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Okay, all right, that's the first step. The second step, now the recipe that I found called for a sweet almond oil. This is the carrier oil. We in Young Living have what is called our V6 vegetable oil complex, and I love using this when I'm going to be doing applying oils on my body, because this helps the oil from evaporating too quickly. And then, I mean, if it's evaporating right away before it gets into your skin, you're wasting money, right? So using a carrier oil helps to drive in the essential oils into your skin, okay? So this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of, that one called for sweet almond oil. I'm using this one because I don't have sweet almond oil. And this is working just fine. Now, I will tell you, I was a little nervous. I was like, oh, is Cowboy's hair going to be greasy? I don't really want greasy. It's not. Okay. Here's how his hair looks. On a humid day like this head of hair can be, it gets all frizzy. And then I add, I don't know, a little bigger, like a nickel size amount of a special hair oil, and I just rub it in, and it calms the frizzies down. That's how it looks on Cowboy's hair. It does not look greasy. Just looks like that he's well groomed and quite handsome, if I must say. Okay, so we have added 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil into an 8-ounce glass bottle. All right, the next essential oil to add is eucalyptus radiata, and the original recipe called for grapefruit. I did not use the grapefruit. It's a citrus oil, so I want to be careful about that. So instead, I use 2 drops of the eucalyptus radiata. All right. So, 1, 2. Simple enough. All right. And then we already talked about the effectiveness of lemongrass. And this calls for just 1 drop of lemongrass. And the reason it only takes 1 drop of Young Living's essential oil is because of the 100% therapeutic grade. You get more health benefits when you have a 100% therapeutic grade essential oil. Now, essential oils are not regulated by the FDA. And so basically, any old company can say that it is 100% therapeutic oil when it is not. Then, in fact, they can put just 5% of the plant oil and fill the rest with synthetics and call it that. And it might smell good, but I can tell you it's not doing the therapeutic health benefits of the oil. And that's why you can always trust Young Living, because we have the seed to seal promise. Our fields have not been used with pesticides, and we're very, very, very particular about the farms that we use. Okay, so we got it. We have 2 of the Eucalyptus radiata. We got 1 drop of the lemongrass. And then we have 1 drop of geranium. Now, if you were listening to what was in here, geranium was also in the shampoo, lemongrass was also in the shampoo, and 1 drop of lavender. Now, in the shampoo, they call it lavandin. It's a little bit different, but super, 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 super similar. Okay, so just 1 drop of the lavender goes in here. Okay, so then we've got 2 tablespoons of the carrier oil. We have 2 drops of the Eucalyptus radiata, a drop of geranium, a drop of lavender, and a drop of lemongrass. Okay, so in this bottle, it's about, can you see, about that much of the oils, and then you fill the rest of it up with water. And I pretty much filled it up to about right there with the water. And then all you have to do, guys, is just shake it really good and spray it on your dog. And you know what? If it's really hot outside, this is nice to keep in the refrigerator. Your dog is going to love being sprayed with a cooling spray like this, and with therapeutic grade essential oils. Now, the thing that is different about using this as a solution, a natural solution, different from the drops, is that the drops you only do once a month, right? So it's supposedly it's going into the bloodstream, and obviously it's going to be really powerful in the beginning, and then it dwindles off by the end of the month. For a natural solution like this, you have to apply it more often. So I would say keep it, close to the door that you go out to take the dog. If you're going to, I don't know, for me, I hate bugs on my dog, and I don't like having to pull them off. So I'm just giving him a quick little spritzy spray once a day. I have read where you don't have to do it every day, maybe every other day, especially though if you are going to be hiking out, walking in weeds and that kind of thing, then you certainly want to make sure that you give them a good dousing of it and do it on a regular basis. So there you go, my friends, my gypsy soul. Feel free to post any questions below. Would love your hearts and your thumbs ups and the heck yeah nutters. Keep it going. I will tell you, I am teaching a live class tonight. It's a 101 Essential Oils 101 class, and it is tonight at 7 o'clock. It will be in my Facebook group, which is called Holistic Adventures for the Sassy Soulful Spirits. And if you're curious, you want to learn more about what the spiritual benefits of using essential oils, also the physical and mental health, emotional benefits of using essential oils, be sure to let me know so that I can add you to our Facebook group. And again, that starts tonight at 7 o'clock. All right, my friends, that is all for Tuesday's tips. I hope that you have the most magnificent rest of the day, and I will see you later tonight. Peace, love, and aroma freedom, baby. See you later. Thanks for joining us. Bye. See you later tonight. Yeah, 7 o'clock.